In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, mastering purchase orders can streamline your business operations, improve efficiency, and ensure clarity between you and your vendors. So let's dive right in and take it step by step. First things first, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Online. For the best experience, open up your Chrome browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Once there, sign in using your email and password. It's always a good idea to ensure you're using secure credentials to keep your business information safe. Now let's make sure your QuickBooks is set up to handle purchase orders. This feature might not be enabled by default, so here's how to turn it on. Start by clicking on the gear icon located at the top right of your screen. Then proceed to Account and Settings, and from there, navigate to the Expenses tab. Here you'll find the option to turn on purchase orders. Go ahead and switch it on, and don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. This setup ensures your software is ready to manage purchase orders effectively. With that done, you're all set to create a purchase order. Begin by selecting Plus New from the menu, and then choose Purchase Order. It's important to specify the vendor you're dealing with. This ensures that everything is organized and trackable. If there's a specific shipping address for your order, make sure to choose the correct Ship To address. Next, add the product or service items you're ordering. Be precise with the quantity and rate to avoid any confusion. There's also an option to add a memo or any special instructions that you want the vendor to be aware of. Don't hesitate to make use of that space for added clarity. Once your purchase order is ready, it's time to send it off. Click Save and Send to email the purchase order directly to your vendor. Alternatively, if you prefer to handle this offline or send it later, you can simply select Save and Close to keep it on file without immediately emailing it. Now that your purchase orders are in motion, you'll want to keep track of them. Head over to the Expenses menu, select Vendors, and then find Open Purchase Orders. Here you can view your purchase orders by various criteria such as status, vendor, or date. If adjustments are necessary, such as changing quantities or canceling a purchase order, it can all be managed from this interface. Finally, when the items you've ordered are received, you'll want to convert the purchase order into a bill. Locate the appropriate purchase order and click on Create Bill. QuickBooks conveniently copies all items and quantities from the purchase order to the bill, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Review the bill carefully and save it for processing your payment, and that's it. You've effectively managed your purchase orders in QuickBooks Online. This process not only enhances communication with your vendors, but also keeps your financial records organized and accurate. Happy accounting!